Hello students, welcome once again in our new chapter in unit number 2, how the dog found himself a master. This is a folk story. What is folk story? Folk story means a story which is passes from one generation to the next generation by spoken manner. It was not written. Okay, students. So let's see the folk story how the dog found himself a master. Before you read, do you like pets, students? Students, tell me, do you like pets? Yes, of course. Many of you like the pets. Okay, I think most of you will like dogs as a pet. Yes, many of you may have the dogs as a pet at your home. Yes, correct. Okay, student. Do you know in the past, dog is not a pet animal. In the past, in the history, dog was not a pet animal. It was a wild animal like a wolf and lion and bear, etc. Okay, student. I think you are surprised, but it is true. So let's see how dog became a pet animal through this story. Okay, student. Let's start. Okay, see this first para in front of you in your textbook. You may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. They are very related to each other. Their style, their appearance, etc. Okay, student. So, you may also know something about how, over the centuries, human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Students, you may also know how human beings have domesticated means trained and tamed wild animals. How they train the wild animals. Okay, and here is the story about how the dog became a tame or pet animal. Okay, students, let's see. The title of the story is How the Dog Found Himself a Master. Let's see, let's start. Look at that picture and the paragraph below. Dogs were once their own master. Once upon a time, dogs were their own master. They are very free, independent, and lived the way wolves do, and the freedom. And they also lived the life like a wolves do, in a freedom, very independent. Okay, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with his way of life. How much they lived that type of life? Until a dog was born who was ill pleased, not happy with his way of life. Ill pleased means not happy with his way of life. Till then, they lived independently, they lived free. Okay, like a wolves do. Okay, student, let's see. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, by himself, looking for a food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. The dog was not happy. The dog was not happy, was sick and tired of wandering by himself, about wandering by himself, looking for a food, being frightened of those who were stronger than he. It means what? The dog was became very lazy, and he was became very lazy for wandering here and there for food purpose. He was frightened those who are very stronger than him. Okay, wandering means moving. Frightens means that made afraid. He was afraid by stronger animals than him. Okay, so that what happened next? See, look at this para. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become a servant of one who was stronger than anyone on the earth, and he set out to find such a master. Let's see what about one day what happened. Then dog found himself that he want to become a servant. He want to become a servant of one who was stronger than anyone on the earth. And he set out to find such a master. Dog thought himself and decided the best thing for him because he was worried about wandering. He was frightened of stronger animals, and therefore he thought that why he would not become a servant, one who was stronger than anyone on the earth. And therefore he set out to find such a master, and therefore he starts searching that master. Okay, let's see, look at that next para. He walked and walked, and he met a kinsman of his. Kinsman. Kinsman means a relative, alike. Relative means alike. Huh? Look at that. He walked and walked. He met a kinsman of his, a alike animal, and that is a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. And he found that a relative animal, and which is that? And which is that? That is a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. And that wolf was very strong. He was very fierce is violent, very frightening. Okay, dangerous. Let's see. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. And suddenly, when they met together, wolf asked that, where are you going, dog? Then dog replied, I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? Dog immediately asked. Dog tried to convince the wolf to be a master here. Okay, student, let's see. Once again, I am looking for someone to take up service with. I want to serve for anybody. Would you like to be my master? Because dog found that wolf was so strong and it was so fierce, and himself means dog want to be such a master who was stronger on the earth, and therefore he decided to serve for wolf. Okay, let's see. I don't see why not, the wolf said. And wolf immediately accepted that request and said, yes, why not? And this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. And on agreed on that subject, both of them went together in jungle. Let's see. They walk and they walk, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniff, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. And then what happened suddenly? While walking, wolf lifted his nose and sniff. Sniff means smell, and darted quickly off the path. And darted means move up. Darted means moved quickly. Huh? So darted moved quickly up the path and into the bushes, and went to the bushes and crept deeper into the forest, and went into the forest deeper. Okay, students, and then what happened? The dog was much surprised. The dog was very surprised. He found that that wolf was running in a forest. Then look at that, what happened? What comes? What? Come over you, master? Hey, master, what happened? Dog surprisingly asked to the wolf. He asked, what was frightened you so? Hey, wolf, hey, my master, what has frightened you so? Then immediately wolf replied, can't you see? There's a bear out there, and he might eat up both of us, you and me. And here, wolf immediately replied that, hey dog, can't you see? There's a bear, and he might eat up both of us, that is you and me. It means here wolf also frightened by bear. Okay, seeing that the bear was stronger than wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him. But here what happened? The dog decided to take a service of that bear because dog decided to serve who was stronger on the earth. And here he found that the bear is stronger than wolf, and therefore suddenly, immediately, he decided to take up service with bear and left, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. Okay, students, and immediately he asked the bear to be his master and he left the wolf. Okay, so students, we will end up our session here. Remaining part will I will taught you in our next session. Okay, thank you for listening.